What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Here we have a pair of Nike Air Jordan 13s. I believe this is the Starfish colorway. Now if you ask me, this is an amazing colorway. It's a great silhouette on a Jordan. The Jordan 13s are pretty cool. There's a lot of great colorways, especially recently. Flints came out recently. Lucky Greens are pretty nice. These are pretty nice. Now if you're interested in these, there's a StockX affiliate marketing link in the description below. I, for one, I'm a huge fan of these 13s. I've seen a lot of 13s. These are quite nice. As usual, we're gonna throw them on foot, and you can let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Got a nice little Jordan logo down here. These are great quality too. And the orange definitely pops. The white leather is really nice and tumbled. As you can see, it says Jordan right here. Jordan logo on the tongue. The only thing that would be nice is like some better lace tips. These are just normal plastic lace tips. Outside of that, this shoe is popping. Let's check out the other side real quick. All right, let's go ahead and throw them on. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. We might have to loosen these up a lot, as they are a half size too small for me. Already you can see what I mean. Like, this is a really nice shoe. Just toning down the lighting here. There's really not much you can say negatively about this shoes. If you're interested in denim that looks like this, check out the Amazon affiliate marketing links in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.